Hi, today I want to show you how to sign in Splash Math. First, you need to go to the website. You can you do it by Clever or go to Splash Learn or Splash Math website. I will do it with my student batch. So here I am. Hello. I want to use one of my students. So for example, here I have one. So then I will go to Math. In Math there is Splash Math. It will send me to the website. Then you need to go to sign in. The only way that you will have like a free access is if you say that you are in the classroom. So please go to the class and type the code. So it was an update and my code changed. This is the recent code during this month. That is STTJRO. So then when you type that code, you are allowed to see or look for your student. I am going to do Antonio's, and then you need your password. Like students know their passwords or they have it in their planner. In this case, his password, like everyone's password, is in lowercase. So you need to make sure you type in lowercase. During this unit, students are learning about data, so I strongly suggest you to put them to start or complete first the assignments that are related to data, like graphics. So all of them that are graphics, you should start using. Like for example, this is a graphic, so you can go here and they can start practicing.
Completa el gráfico de barras.
Please let me know if you have more questions, and thank you for watching.